Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Bose foldable home speaker. It is around 330 pounds on Amazon. I leave the link below if you are interested in. It is a new speaker. It is replacing the old Bose Revolve and the Revolve Plus. You have two colors. You have a black and silver. The one I bought, it is a black. It's slightly heavier. So let's go to the features quickly. You get a 360 sound. You get built-in Google Assistant, Alexa. You have 12 hours of battery, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, can play with Apple Airplay. It is going to be 360 audio, water resistant, so you can connect multiple speakers together. So let's unbox this and we're going to try the audio quality. So you have a user manual, USB-C to USB-C charger, and you have the power adapter. Definitely a big improvement. This is definitely a big improvement on the both sides. So first of all, they have taken the top. They had it other way around on the older speaker and the Revolve, where they have a solid back on the bottom and the speakers on the top. Now they have it as other way around. You have the power station if you are using for the power pad. You can use that. That is going to be a USB-C input for the charging. You have a small handle as well. They are very light comparing the Revolve Plus. They're definitely a lighter and they're smaller. Have a power button on the top. You have a Bluetooth, volumes down, pause and play, volumes up, microphone. So there is no power. Give me a few minutes, I will be back. So now we're gonna try the audio.
In the dark, I'm so scared to be apart. Honestly, do you even think of me? When you're away, I can only hope and pray. But now I need to know, I need to know. In the stars, we're shining like a work of art. Don't you see, we're the same entity? I'm afraid I'll lose myself when you're away. So please don't let me go, don't let me go.
I need your love, but I could never get enough. Got me saying,
here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. About to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Sitting in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Sitting in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh, my friend Sarah had a great time last night. Yeah, so you're gonna call this one back?
No?
What are you talking about? Sarah's great.
Oh, really? You don't know what your great friend did? We were out to dinner, okay? We were getting along, having a really nice time. I was thinking she was really cool. And then, out of nowhere...
You won't go out with her again? So she took some fries, big deal.
So there is no delays with the audio to the video, so they are quite loud.
I forgot your name, don't remember where we met. We met. But what I do recall is the shit you put me through, but not you. Maybe I need some therapy to bring back the sweet memory. Baby, I'm glad the good times faded, 'cause it feels so good to forget about you and me. Cause the scars that wear prove that it's true, and the ones that bleed remind me of the war that we.
So when the volumes goes up, the bass is a bit more distorted compared to where the volume is down. So when you have the volumes down, the bass is much more clearer. So now we're gonna watch other songs. So now we're gonna put the volumes up. audio wise is very clear. There is no delays, there is no distortions. When you put the volume to the full, you lose a little bit of bass. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel.